So we're finally upstairs at the Green Lane project. We're in the existing hallway that connected the bathroom from the 2 bedrooms. And now we're going to walk into the new hallway, which we've created, which now connects the existing bedroom and downstairs to the new 2nd floor office. So we're going to walk through the hallway. And now you see here's the back of the existing hall bathroom. We're going to take off all the rotted framing members, anything that's damaged, any old insulation. We're going to take the ceiling out and we're going to give them a cathedral ceiling in this hall bathroom to open it up and make that bathroom feel twice the size. So you can also see around that we have this nice vaulted ceiling in here with all of our structural framing members, so this thing is nice and tight and secure, but we have a nice high 8-foot ceiling where all the other rooms in the 2nd floor are only 7 feet. So now you can see the 2nd story office is nice and bright, where we put windows on either side to pick up some of the light that comes in the morning and the afternoon. And then we put this big double window here, which is going to let us look out over the pool and over this beautiful backyard. So this 2nd floor office is nice and bright. It's going to be a nice place to work. So now we're up on the roof. Our 2nd story addition office is done. It's all framed in. Our roof is on. We're ready for windows and siding.